So today we will discuss this question. Discuss continuity of the function mod x minus 1. So how to solve this type of question? First we have to break the mod. Then we can draw the graph, and also we have to apply right hand limit, left hand limit and value of the function at that point. So here we have fx equal to mod x minus 1. So first we have to break this. So it will be x minus 1 when x is greater than equal to 0, and it will be minus x plus 1 when x is less than 0. So now we can write here fx equal to x minus 1 when x is greater than equal to 0, and can you take common minus here? So it will be minus x minus 1 when x less than 0. Now I'll draw the graph. I'll draw the graph of this function. So here we have fx equal to x minus 1 when x is greater than equal to 0, and minus x minus 1 when x is less than 0. Now we'll draw the graph. What will be the x minus 1 graph? So this is the origin. So x minus 1. When y will be 0, the x will be 1. And when x will be 0, it will be minus. So graph will be like that. Okay, so this will be the y equal to x minus 1, and that is we have fx. Now this coordinate will be 1 0, and here will be at 0 it will be minus 1. Okay, now the condition is saying this graph when x greater than equal to 0. So here is 0, so greater than means this after this we have to take when x is greater than equal to 0. That means this total it will come, this total it will come, because x equal to 0 here. So when will be greater than 0, so after right of 0, so that means this part will come, this whole part will come from here, this whole part will come from here, this whole part will come, the graph. Okay, now it is minus of the same function, minus of the same function. So mirror image on the x-axis. So what is the mirror image of this graph on the x-axis? So from here we have to take the mirror image. So what is the mirror image? Mirror image of this will be like that, and mirror image of this part will be this. So here, so we have to do like that. Here we have to increase. Okay, now this one is y fx equal to minus x minus 1. Okay, now so this portion we have to take from x after x, means x greater than 0. So this portion, and this graph mirror image when x less than 0. So here is 0, so which part we have to take? So here 0, so less than means this. So this from here we have to take, from here means this part we have to take. So this part we have to take. So here this part and this part. So finally what is the graph we have? So x minus 1 when x, so this part I'll put this in big line. So this we needed and this we needed, x minus 1 mirror image. Okay, so this part, so when x less than 0, so what are the required things we have to draw? So the required thing will be, so this needed, this part and this part. So here is, this is the y-axis, this is the axis, this is the origin. So here is 1 0, here is 0 minus 1, and here is 0 1. So this graph is required graph. for this conditions. Now we'll check at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, how much? At x equal to 0, so graph's portion is not regular, it is breaking here. So from the graph we can say that it is discontinuous at x equal to 0, because x equal to 0, here graph, two graph at the same point. So we can say that this graph is discontinuous at x equal to 0. So from the graph we can say that graph is breaking at x equal to 0. So it is discontinuous. Now from mathematically, how to say? Mathematically by using right hand limit, left hand limit. So what is the right hand limit? Right hand limit will be limit x tends 0 plus fx limit x tends 0. What is the fx when f is greater than 0? So x minus 1. So we'll put here in place of x, so it will be 0 minus 1. So minus 1. So what is the left hand limit? Limit x tends 0 minus fx equal to limit x tends to 0. Less than means we have 1 minus x. So minus x minus 1. So we have to put here. So minus 0 minus 1. So minus 1 and 1. So it will 1. And what is the f0? So where I have to put f0? Where is the equality? Equality is here. So f0 will be limit x tends to 0 and x minus 1. So it will be minus 1. So right hand limit, left hand limit not equal. See, here is 1 and here is minus 1. Both are not equal. So we can say that the graph is discontinuous at x equal to 0. So right hand limit not equal to left hand limit. Hence graph is discontinuous at x equal to 0. So fx is discontinuous at x equal to 0. So thank you. Please subscribe my channel.